Hey guys, I'm BK. In this video, I'm going to teach you boto 3 package in Python. First of all, what is boto 3? Boto 3 is a package. By using boto 3, we can access the services in AWS, or we can do any actions in AWS through Python code. If you want a boto 3 documentation link, go to Google, search boto 3 documentation. So you can get this page. Okay, today's code, I did the simple project by using boto 3. If you want this link, go to description and get the link. Okay, let's get started. I start with boto list bucket. If you are a AWS user, if you have experience in AWS, you know what this S3 bucket mean. So it's kind of a storage drive, we can say. It's kind of memory card that we can store our files or our videos, and we can access the videos or files. For example, go to any web application. There you can see some upload option or any download option. Those background, they integrated with the S3 bucket, because S3 bucket is a kind of memory card that we can store anything, right? When we download any files or when we upload any file, everything goes to AWS S3. I hope you guys understand what this mean by S3. Okay, now coming to the topic, this file number 1, boto underscore list underscore bucket.py. So first I import this package, import boto 3. And once you import boto 3, if you don't have boto 3 on your local, you can install boto 3 like this: pip3 install boto 3. Okay, you see this already satisfied because I have this package already, so I don't need to install this package again. If you don't have this package, you go and install like this: pip3 install boto 3. Okay, and second thing is import OS. So I need OS because this code need to access my file, right? I'll explain you this line. This is the kind of package for access any file or access anything from our local device. So we can use this OS. And this OS full form is operating system. Okay, and coming to the topic number 4, from .env import load underscore .env. Okay, then I call this load underscore .env function. Why using this? Because now I want to list the S3 buckets. I'll open my S3 console. So here you can see 2 buckets. First bucket name is abc bharathi-bk, and second bucket name is test-bharathi-bk. So now I want to list this bucket through this code. I want to view this bucket, this console, this terminal. So I need a credential, right? Because I want to access my local to AWS. So I need a credential. For this, you can create AWS access key or secret key. How? It's very simple. In AWS, there is a service named IAM, which means Identity Access Management. Here, first I created policy, then I created role, then I created user. See, S3 full access. In this video, I'm not going to explain these things. So how to create users, I'm not going to explain this. Okay, coming to the topic. Once you create the user, so you will get access key and secret key. Okay, this access key and secret key I put on this file. The file name is .env. Okay, I'm not going to open this file because this file having all my AWS credential, so it's secret. If you see this AWS key, access key or secret key, you will access my AWS bucket. So that's why. So here I call this OS then dot environment dot get from this variable. In .env, I store it like this is a .env file. Just assume like this. So this is going to be the variable inside the .env, and 1 2 3. This is going to be my AWS access key ID. Okay, the same with this one also. See this? Okay, I hope you guys understand why I am using this, because I want to access my local environment file. Okay, that's why I'm using this function, and I want to access my local files. So that's why I'm using this. Okay, now coming to the topic. So first file is going to be list my AWS buckets, S3 bucket. Okay, so S3 is a variable is equal to boto 3 is a package. You see this? Then dot client. This is nothing but kind of authentication thing. Okay, so I want to access AWS bucket, AWS S3 bucket from my local to AWS. So that's why I need this client. Okay, I store this client into this S3 variable. Then again, there is a response variable is equal to S3 dot S3. So this is the client dot list bucket. So I calling this function. So this function will list my all S3 bucket. Okay, now here I got the list. Okay, let me command this. I'm going to print a response alone. Response. Okay, I'm going to run this code. Here you can see this response. Inside the response, it's very hard to find my bucket name. Okay, so that's why what I'm doing. So inside the response, there is a buckets. Where is a buckets? Let's search here. You see this? So this is the key. Okay, I'm using for loop. Here I got my bucket. Then every iteration, this response buckets will go to bucket. Then I print the bucket, the names. Okay, let's run this code. Now I will find the S3 bucket. I need to uncommand this. I need to delete this. Okay. You see ABC hyphen bharathi hyphen bk test hyphen bharathi hyphen bk. This is how this list buckets function is work. Okay, and move to second. Now I want to upload the file from my local to S3 bucket. It's very simple. These all are the steps going to be same. Import OS and functions and AWS access key secret key and client, and this is going to be different. Okay, number 18. So this is my bucket name. Okay, test bharathi hyphen bk. This is the file path. So I'm going to upload this boto3 underscore upload underscore image.py file to this bucket test hyphen bharathi hyphen bk. So here I get the file name by using OS, path, base name, and file path. So let's print this file name. Command this. Let's run this code. You see, oh, I need to pass this variable. Let's run this code. Boto3 underscore upload underscore image.py. I got the file name. Now with open, here I pass the file path and RB. RB is nothing but read binary. So this file is going to be read in binary format. Okay, binary format is nothing but 0, 0, 1 like this. Okay, 0 and 1s. Now as file. Then this is the client dot, this is the function name upload file object. Then I pass the all argument. First argument is file. File, this is the file, and second argument is bucket name, and third argument is file name. Let's run this code. See, file uploaded successfully. Now I go to S3. So this is the bucket name. I open this bucket. Here you can see file copied successfully from my local to AWS S3. Okay. So I have added another file. So this is, you explore this one. I'm not going to teach you this one. This is very simple. And this one also, you explore this one too. And if you want this link, you can get this link in this video description. And if you have any doubt regarding this boto3, you can ask me on LinkedIn. And thanks for watching. And thank you for your support. We'll see you tomorrow. Ta-da, bye bye.